welcome. Now we'll go to consistency. We'll learn unwavering commitment to your goal. So how you're going to achieve unwavering commitment? How you're going to be focused on your goal? Success is consistency equal to consistency, progress towards vision. Always progress towards vision. That is success. So, stagnation is equal to inconsistency, progress to vision. Okay, failure is no progress towards vision. System performance is the output and efficiency of your system over a long period of time. Okay, then performance equation: output into time divided by input of your system over a long period of time. Okay, you can measure the performance of your system through this equation. Never deviate. Number one reason of failure is inconsistency. Always be consistent. Is forgetting the vision and mission. Goal never waver. Okay, never waver from your. That is why I have asked you to make a goal card. Write your vision statement, your goal, mission, principles, so that you are always focused. Write daily goals. Write how to stay consistent. Don't forget the goals. Always keep your goals in front of you. Keep tracking the performance against baseline towards the goal. Second, keep optimizing inputs in the system and measuring their effects on the output is pursuit of the goal perfection. Okay, then we'll go to the main reasons of failure. Okay, are people forgetting the goal? They forget the goals, getting distracted. They get distracted. They are not focused. Inputs, venting inputs, taking eyes off metrics. They don't keep eyes on the metrics. Basically, accepting entropy and inefficiency. They are not efficient. They don't have any discipline. It is always avoided if you keep your eye on ball 24/7, 365 days. You need to keep your eyes on that goal, mission, vision, and practice. Take actions towards it. That is your ultimate goal, so that you will achieve greatness. Otherwise, if you go for instant gratifications, you are not going to become great, and you are not going to change through your projects or your apps. Okay, let's go to the other section, which is systems and